So this is the most expensive pull-up bar that I own. But trust me guys, I bought this one for the kids because it has a swing on it. But it also has freaking monkey bars! Yeah, but it has also a nice ladder so they can safely get up there. But it has rings where you can do all kinds of exercises on there. It also has a disc swing that the kids are going to absolutely love. You can even do dips on the parallel bars, on the monkey bars. How awesome is that? So guys, besides all my excitement, because I'm really stoked about this thing, this is the most expensive pull-up bar that I own. And the previous one was 1,300 euros power rack. And now this thing costs a whopping 1,800 euros. But trust me, I bought this one for the kids. And the reason I say this is a message. Yes, it's expensive. No, I don't expect everyone to pay that big of a price for monkey bars. But the concept of it is that you buy something for the kids where you also can have a lot of enjoyment out of. And this goes back to the roots of Barrookie. We started out this channel as a way to motivate people to start doing calisthenics and to show that calisthenics is something for everyone and that everyone can get involved into strength training with just their body weight. And this is the ultimate Barrookie thing to have in my backyard. Because when we had this back in the day on a playground, we would be absolutely stoked. But we didn't. We just had a regular old playset with sometimes a pull-up bar, sometimes just nothing. So we had to make do with what we had. But having this now in my backyard is really a dream coming true. And I must say, the fact that the kids can play on this and that they have a swing, they can have a ladder where they climb up on, it makes it very accessible for the kids. It's also something that I can use. It's something where I can climb on the monkey bars because I never did that as a kid. And when the kids see me doing that, I hope they're also going to be stoked to do that as well. And hopefully they're going to mimic my behavior in training and getting active, and they're going to become very strong, tiny humans. So that is really the idea also of this video. This is an investment. If you can do that already at the age of 6, 12 or 18 years old, you already have a very big leap forward, where I only started at 20 years old when I did calisthenics. So yeah, I know I didn't look 20, I probably looked like 16 in the first videos, but that's all in the past. So yeah, my message here is get some monkey bars, get your kids involved, get active, and summer is starting, so it's the best opportunity to start something like this. Also, this Berg Playbase has a very unique way to be set in the ground. It's put in place without concrete and it's very solid. But that is going to be something for another video. So yeah, thanks so much for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. And I hope you as a parent specifically are going to choose things, purchases that are going to make you active, but also your kids active, so that you can have a step forward to all the other average people. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching guys, I hope you liked this video, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in that next video. Peace out!